Hi, I'm Mick with TeleSage, and welcome to the SAGE Platform Instructional Series. In this video, we'll provide an overview of the benefits and features of the SAGE Clinical Platform, or SAGE Platform for short. The SAGE Platform provides access to the most important components of any intake process: getting the assessment to the client and reviewing the report. Sending assessments to your clients is simple. Within the Administer tab, you can provide links for single assessments, or provide one link with multiple assessments through the Client Accounts page. You can copy and paste the link into your own notification system, or have the link emailed directly from ours. Distributing assessments from our system allows you to schedule reminder emails, ensuring your clients stay on track with their assessments. You can also choose to receive email notifications once an assessment has been completed. Recent administrations can be found in survey links under review links. Alternatively, you can simplify the process by generating one public link to embed on your website. With public links, clients enter their initials and birth year for easy identification, and all assessments are sent directly to your reports folder. Public links can also be generated within the Administer tab. If you'd like to conduct an in-person interview, you can initiate the SAGE SR right on the platform. No link needed. The assessment begins immediately, guiding you and your client through each question. After administering the assessments, you can review the clinical notes under Reports. Clinical notes are comprised of all information gathered from the SAGE SR core and intake, including the chief complaint and the history or present mental status exam. A treatment plan based on the rendered diagnosis will also be available. Treatment plans are generated in advance from the SAGE SR and scrutinized for clinical accuracy and acumen. The clinical notes, along with the individual patient assessments, can be found on the homepage under View Reports. And there you have it! The SAGE Clinical Platform offers a convenient and streamlined process for administering and reviewing the reports of the SAGE SR and NetDisc 5. For more details, you can check out our on-screen tutorials in the SAGE Platform Instructional Series. Thanks for watching.